Why, hello there. Welcome to part 6 of my entire adult coloring book collection. Let's jump right on into it without further delay. I want to start off with this huge item here. This was like the first set of Crayola pencils that I ever got. This is the Colorscapes 12 premium coloring pages, and it came with 12 of these huge 11 by 17 coloring pages that's on pretty decent paper. It's kind of like cardstock, but not quite as thick. And it also came with the 50 pack of Crayola pencils and the 12 pack of watercolor Crayola color pencils. So this was my first Crayola set that I ever got, because I didn't start off with Crayola pencils. I started off with something much worse. So Crayola pencils was an upgrade. Another book by Crayola that I have is the Crayola Signature Creative Lettering Inspiration Pad. So this is to help you with your lettering. It has the black paper and the tan type paper. So I have that one. And then this one came out of a Crayola kit that came with some markers, the Crayola signature markers. And I have the Crayola Inspired Escapes for lettering. And in the back, it has all of the different types of lettering that you can practice on. Really nice. That's the Inspired Escapes by Crayola. Then I have the Art and Edge Ridiculous Crayola. I really like these books. They are so cute and funny. And I have the Art and Edge Say What? Bold and Fearless. Prepared for Greatness. Create Something Wonderful. Keys to My Heart. That is cute. And last but not least by Crayola, I have the Art and Edge Graffiti. And these are books that are really nice for both, boys and girls, men and women. It's not really gender specific, not a bunch of flowers. So this will be great for the man or the boys in your life if they would like to color along with you. And one more thing by Crayola. This came with a set also. This is the Naturescapes. Oh, that's the same thing that I had in the other pack, but this one is open. So these are loose pages. Really nice paper. Kind of thick. Interesting images. So that's what that was. Crayola Art and Edge set. And I think that's it for Crayola. Oh, and these are just some loose images by Tabitha Barnett from her coloring book, Something Circles. But yeah, it's a few of her printouts, her PDFs. Really cute. And next are my books from Ollie's. This one is the Friendship Coloring Book. I really like this one. It's really cute and unique. Okay. And next are a couple of the Creative Charm coloring books that came from Ollie's, and they also had colored pencils that came with them. And the pages are like really easy to come apart. They're like sewn in or stitched in, but there's a lot of like wallpaper patterns in here. All right, the next one is another one from Ollie's. It's spiral bound. and it's the Color Me. And it's got perforated pages that are spiral bound, really nice. And the paper is really nice also. Nice images. I really like this one. And there's another one. These were like $2.99 from not Aldi's, Ollie's. Color and Frame 3-in-1 coloring books. Relax, Color, and Create. And it mentions how you can tear them out. They are all perforated. Really nice paper. Really like it. I need to color in these more. And here's another one, $1.99 from Ollie's Chalk Style Garden Coloring Book. And on the back of each page, it has a beautiful little saying and a few lines for you to write down maybe what you're feeling that day while you're coloring. And I have this one, Color Me Miserable. This one was really funny too. I need coffee. Flowers are stupid. But the flowers are all like weird looking on here, but yeah, lame. So this is a funny like coloring book. And then you have the Color Me a Quote coloring book. And it has all of these different actors and singers. It even has a color palette for some of them. Like this is David Bowie. And it has a saying on the other side and a few lines for you to write what you would like to say for that day or whatever. As Marilyn Monroe. I think that's really cute. Then we have the Be Happy coloring book by KC Doodle Art, Live Love Art. And it's the same kind of format where it has the quote and the lines on the other side where you can just write down what you're feeling, have some illustrations and examples in the front, so you can get some color palettes. Has also the color palettes here. Now we have the Apocalypse coloring book, Color Until the Very End. I thought this one was so super funny because it has like these quotes at the bottom, and then the people are doing like really crazy stuff while, you know, the end of the world is coming. He's like, there are meteor showers and he has an umbrella, like that's going to save him from the meteor shower, okay? And it has like Homo sapiens endangered. So all the animals are looking at him, and that little animal right there was like, I've never seen a human before. And the mom was like, don't get too close. That's how she's looking. And then I have another by Susie Toronto, Sisterhood coloring book. So cute. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. So cute. Pretending to be a normal person day after day is exhausting. That is super cute. I love it. And next are my like kids coloring books, like from Bendon. This is my Lisa Frank one. I would definitely like print these off onto like cardstock and color them. I absolutely love coloring these type of images. I don't like the paper, but I will definitely print it off onto better paper. These are my Bendon books, Beautiful Garden, Living Neon. You can use gel pens, neon pens, fine liners, fine markers, whatever you'd like in those. And here's another one, Living Neon, Majestic Ocean. Have no pages in these completed, not even started. Have Coloring the 80s. Love that. You remember that camera? Oh, I have one in here. Oh, I did this one so long ago. Oh, that is absolutely horrible. So I do have one finished page. Yay. Have the Strawberry Shortcake Advanced Coloring. This is such a cute book. OMG. Love it. I love Strawberry Shortcake. But every time I say the word strawberry shortcake, I want some strawberry shortcake. Next are my absolute favorite Divified coloring books. I have taken them all apart so that I can easily print them out onto better paper. when I am ready to color them. I also have this one, and you have to look at them and look through them and make sure they don't have like the same images, because most of them have the same images, but all of the ones I have are different. They have different images than all of the other ones, but you can find some of them, they'll have like the same stuff in there. So you just have to be really careful. Look through them. And I have this one. This one had a lot of duplicates in it as the other one. So I just took this one apart and put all the puzzle ones in this one because I'm not going to do the puzzles. Here's another one by Bendon. Just a regular like Dollar Tree, dollar store coloring book. The letters, cute letters from the dollar store. Oh, look at that F for hair. That's cute. Oh, that's really nice. I would probably transfer those to better paper for sure. Then we have a Day Trip by the Designer series by Kappa Adult Coloring. I think this is really cute. I would love to color in this, but I would definitely have to put it on my favorite paper. All right, here's one, Welcome Home. I really like this one. I think I did one out of this one, but I think I took it out. Did I take it out? Yes, I'll have to show you that one in another episode. But oh, I started on this one. Oh, this looks horrible. Oh my gosh. My coloring has really improved. Next is the Daydream Designs, Coloring for Relax. Coloring to Relax. Kind of weird images. Yeah, I'm like, okay. Just all kind of images just thrown around anywhere. Just all type of stuff. All right, Home Sweet Home. I think I colored one out of this one also. Oh, yes, I did. I colored two. I colored this one. Oh, this has been so long ago that I colored these pictures. And this one, this is like the first buddy color I ever did. This was so long ago. OMG. This is like taking me way back to when I first started coloring. And you know, I didn't know anything about better paper or anything like that because I colored straight on that horrible, horrible paper. But that's okay. We all have to start somewhere. And this one is the Relax and Rewind Etchings by Bendon. Then we have the Tasty Treats to Color by Kappa Adult Coloring from the dollar store. Ooh, yes. Absolutely love it. Oh, yeah. I love these. You know, I love coloring food, people. Well, not necessarily people. I like coloring people's clothing. And I like coloring like home decor and food. Look at these they're so cute. This is another one that's etchings. That's interesting. This one is by Bendon also. And last but not least, here's a Kappa coloring book. I got this one from the Dollar Tree, but I figured it would be great for a little boy, for my nephews, or anyone that comes to color that's not a little girl that wants to color flowers and cutesy things with me. So I got that one, Tough Trucks. And let's see. I think I can probably show you a few more. So next are all of my how-to books that I have. This one is How to Master Acrylics. Gives you all these instructions. It's not a coloring book, but it gives you some great tips that you can follow. This one is the portraits. And if I'm not mistaken, this one can help you with skin tones. Yeah. So it'll help you with figuring out your light and your balancing of the different skin tones, which colored pencils probably to use. I need to get into this one, like really. And this one is Getting Started with Acrylic. And by the way, these were on Book Outlet. is it Book Outlet? I think it's called Book Outlet, and they were like a few bucks. But this is like a step-by-step tutorial to tell you how to color and paint. And these are the larger ones by that same company, Walter Foster. This one is portraits. It's another one showing you how to do the portraits with acrylic paint, and it even explains like color theory. And I like to draw, I really do. So I got this one, 100 Cartoon Faces and Expressions. So it tells you how to paint and draw cartoons. Super easy, give you the different types of faces and feet and all that good stuff. Feet. So who knows? You may have a coloring book coming from the Dollar Diva. What do you think about that? Comment below and tell me, what's your dream coloring book? My dream coloring book would be a book that has about 30 images, 30 to 50 unique images with people in the scenes, in their homes and outdoors with, you know, doing different things. That's my dream coloring book, like a book full of people doing things like in different settings, like in the home or outside. I know there are coloring books like that, but most of them are like a balance of a few with the people in the picture, and then the other ones in the book are like just the scenes or landscape or the room, just the room by itself. I would love to see one with just all of people and scenes. That would be just awesome. So that's my dream coloring book. So what's yours? How would your dream coloring book look? And it would have decent paper. You know, it doesn't have to have the best paper. I'll be happy with the basic Amazon paper, but not the mixed media paper. I would like the colored pencil paper by Amazon. I found out by a lovely subscriber that Amazon actually has 2 different types of Create Space paper now. So that was good to know. Fun fact. This one is character design, how to draw and paint different characters and their teeth and their facial expressions. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Their bodies. I love art and drawing. It's always been in my blood. Next is the pastel basics, how to draw and paint with pastels. And it even explains the different type of pastels there are, what type of tools you can use, and it goes into color theory. So, like those. And next is this drawing masterclass, Landscapes by Margaret Eglinton. And it just shows you how to do different drawings, how to start, how to do your lines and your tones and your perspective, different types of perspective, hills and mountains. Really nice. And last but not least, my only colorist special effects book that I have the first edition by Helen Elliston, where it teaches you how to do all the different gems and diamonds and coloring flowers and the gem bugs and all that fun stuff. So that is it. This has been part 6 of my entire coloring book collection. I didn't want to make it too long for you because I know some of you are like this. I don't feel like sitting for an hour watching you flip through coloring books. So on the next one, which will be the final one, I will share with you a lot more of my finished pages that were like loose in folders, and I will share with you my last set of my coloring book collection, and then we'll be done. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this playlist right here if you would like to see other wonderful videos, very informative content. Just check out that playlist, hit it right there, and I'll see you over there. Okay, bye for now.